Welcome to Petal Academy. I'm Darlene and I'm going to walk you through a couple of fall ideas. I've got this twig base here and I'm just simply taking some preserved greenery and some dried materials and I'm cutting the stems short and I'm sliding them into this little twig base. If you didn't have a twig base, you could easily take a grapevine wreath, deconstruct it, so loosen it up a little bit, and then you could add these elements into it. I'm just taking a few dried elements, some faux materials as well. Great thing to do to repurpose perhaps a wreath or maybe an arrangement you made in days gone by. Just take it apart and reuse those elements in a different form. Just kind of adding a little bit of accent around some candles. I would recommend LED candles because then you don't have to keep your eye on them. But I'm showing you here with live candles and you just want to ensure that you're keeping all of your dried and faux materials away from the flame if you happen to use real candles. But yeah, just adding these simple elements, it makes a gorgeous table centerpiece, and I love this idea because it's something that you can do well in advance, and it makes a great idea for your kitchen island or perhaps your dining room table or a coffee table. Here it is again. You can see that gorgeous combination. You just want to add some different heights, some different textures in those autumn colors, and it's gorgeous. Another one of our favorite ideas, take a dried wreath and hang it up on a kitchen wall. I've got it displayed here against our backsplash and it looks fantastic. One of our favorite ideas to share is how to arrange foraged branches. Taking a vase of really hot water, extremely hot water, is always recommended. And I've just gathered some foraged oak leaves and some viburnum. I'm trimming them on a stem and then vertically up the stem as well. So on an angle, you want to give that a trim with your floral snips, and then vertically. That extra snip really does help our woody stems hydrate wonderfully. So just take a nice combination, as you can see here, that beautiful oak branch and that viburnum. I'm just doing a nice combination and arranging them together in the crock vase. By the way, we sell this crock vase online. It's our Zara vase and it's beautiful. Very easy to arrange and love the shape. But just trimming these branches, again, you're going to want to remove any of that foliage that's going to sit below the water to ensure that we don't have any extra bacteria building in there, and just continue to arrange them. Gorgeous. Beautiful display on a kitchen island or your kitchen counter. Great for fall. One of my last and favorite ideas is drying your own flowers. Go ahead, gather some hydrangeas. I've got some echinacea here, some solidago, any roadside finds, even some statice I've got in this bunch, and some coreopsis. You can gather them all together in a little bouquet. Make sure they're kind of untangled so that they're easy to untangle whenever you have them dried, but a nice little bunch together, gather them in your hands, and then we're going to take a pair of floral snips, trim the ends, and then grab an elastic band, slip it through a couple of those stems, and then rotate it around the bunch and slip it through the stems again. You can hang this upside down in a dry and non-humid environment and you'll have dried flowers within 7 to 14 days. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving.